Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd do anything you want me to, 'cause I love you.
Good morning, guys. You find me in Bar. Absolutely fantastic views around here. We're on top of a hill. Over there in the distance are a couple of telecommunication towers, and over there is the house of a chap who lives here, who's called Jim. Anyway, so Jim has arranged it for us to go and visit this abandoned Fijian village called Vatutibitibi. Vatutibitibi was a village high up on a hill. It's on a ridge just over there in that distance, and it was abandoned in the mid or late 19th century. We're not sure when exactly, but it was probably around that time. The missionaries came to Fiji and they brought Fijians down from these hilltop settlements. So anyway, so we're off past this first hill over here, then the second hill, and just beyond that lies Vatutibitibi. Vatutibitibi means shining rock, and it's called Vatutibitibi because of the presence of mica, a mineral called mica, in the rock, which makes it shine, especially when it's been raining. So yeah, it's okay. Something very important is that this Vatutibitibi is located in what geologists call a tor, a geographic feature that you'll see when we get closer to Vatutibitibi. It's just a series of gigantic rocks sticking out like from the palm of a hand. And yeah, so that's where we're off to in about 10 or 15 minutes. We're just waiting for another horse. We're getting a I've been told it's going to take about an hour to get there, so we're just waiting for another horse to carry our group on horseback to Vatutibitibi. So stay tuned.
You ready now, eh? Okay. Get a taxi to the mountain. It's a minivan bus to the mountain. Yeah. We're ready now. Oh my God. Tighten your seat belts.
Okay. We're going up. Okay then. Okay, Auntie Bui has decided to get off the horse and walk up the rest of the way. There is a lot of grass here, a lot of vegetation, and Ulax is our lead guide. Okay. Okay guys, look at the grass. Look how tall the grass is. We're reaching the peak of the most difficult hill. Look at the views from here. Okay, the views are absolutely epic. We've got a... Oh look, this is the most difficult mountain, eh? Yeah. Most difficult hill. Okay, this is the most difficult hill, and it was a hard trudge going up it, even though I was on a horse. So, lots of these volcanic rocks everywhere. Oh, you got to be careful. Oh.
That's the last, second last.
Okay, we go.
And so we've still got the second mountain to climb, second hill to climb. But look at these views. Epic views. Auntie, were you okay there?
Yes, I'm all right.
You're not going to get back on the horse, no?
I'm getting on.
Oh, okay, you are.
I'll
Okay.
get on again.
Okay.
And whenever it's a street, I'll get off again.
Well, are you okay with the camera?
Okay.
Okay, all right. So I didn't think it'd be this grueling, even though I'm on a horse and the horse is doing all the work. It is actually pretty tough work. Okay, but another half an hour we should be in Vatutibitibi. Horse, the hare. Hey!
Since I went down, man.
Okay guys, we're look at that view. Isn't that view just absolutely epic? You've got Vatia over there in the distance, and you've got the Bar River.
Hello.
Hello! and you've got me, you've got Seriana, and you've got Auntie Bui.
Yeah.
And
Hello.
Seriana, where's Seriana? Oh, there she is.
Mariana, where are you?
Hello, Bulo.
That's Seriana. And we're nearly at the top of this last hill. And we should be able to see Vatutibitibi from the top. Is that right, Ulux? We can see it from the top, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. So we should be able to get our first glimpse of Vatutibitibi from the top. So this is a slightly difficult patch. So Ulux has got off his horse and he's going to escort me up.
I just get the knife there.
The knife?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Where is it?
I got it.
Can you get it up, Seriana? Oh, okay. Oh, it's on the horse. Okay. Okay. Ah, it's a beautiful day. Absolutely beautiful day. So, okay, okay. And I think I should hang on to the.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Okay. So, just signing off for a few minutes.
Give the.
There it is, guys. That's Vatutibitibi. Okay.
Let's have a rest.
Have a rest here.
Monsel benar ke monsel dah? Ibe. Tolak.
So there it is, guys. We're very close now. That is Vatutibitibi. Incredible.
Where about we?
Ulux, Seriana, Auntie Bui,
Hi, Bula.
and this is these are our lovely horses.
The name?
Nandro.
So the horses are Nandro and
Bone.
Bone.
Deman.
Demani. Demani,
Nandro.
Nandro,
Bone.
Boni. Okay. So those are our horses. And that is the abandoned Fijian village of Vatutibitibi.
That stone is Vatutibitibi.
Yeah, the whole thing is Vatutibitibi. There is mica mineral in the rock.
Wow.
That's why it shines.
It's a Vatutibitibi. The timbi to go here.
Yeah.
The timbi means shine.
But timbi means shine, that's right.
Yeah.
Ah, look at. And what sort of droppings have we got here? These boar. Pig droppings, are they?
What?
Yeah.
Come again.
The boar droppings there, because Ulux showed us earlier a track made by wild boar. So there's a lot of wild boar up here, but we haven't seen any. They probably come out at night. Ulux, is that right? No. Anytime.
When they see us, they
Oh, they run away.
just hear the sound
Yeah.
and they don't move.
They don't move. Okay, they're scared of us, aren't they?
Yeah.
Just as well, really. Okay, so that's where we're headed. The abandoned. I didn't realise it'd be so volcanic here. All these stones. What's that sound all that? Sounds like water. No, eh? No, it's just the trees, isn't it? Eh? The wheat leaves.
Not really. Enemies. What?
I think it's easy to come on that side.
No way there. Watch out. Fall down here.
Yeah.
But there's a road going up there.
There is a road, eh?
Yeah, look like a road, eh?
No.
No. Mm-hmm.
Careful, careful, Sienna. Okay, so it's just a bit of a sheer drop over there.
The sound is the what? Small insect. What?
Oh, is it insects?
The bed.
Bird?
Yeah, small insect.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. All right, okay.
Here, here.
Yeah, I don't know if you can hear it, but there is a rustling sound in the distance. And according to Ulux, it's the sound of insects. Although it sounds like a stream babbling, like from a stream, doesn't it, eh? It's a bit hard for you, for it to be picked up on the GoPro, but there is definitely a sound out there. Just look at all this volcanic rock. We've come up through all this rock on these wonderful horses. And I was thinking of walking up here. I mean, that would have been impossible. And how did those ancient Fijians come up here and build a village, a koro, up there? How on earth? They must have been pretty strong and pretty formidable people. But that's it there. That's Vatutibitibi. Absolutely incredible. I'll narrate the story of why Fijians built hill forts and bures up high up in hills. Of course, years ago, centuries ago, that would have been, they would have used the rock as part of their as part of their defense enclosure. They would have had, we don't know for a fact, but it's almost certainly the case, they would have had a wooden barricade going right round the village. And yeah, look at that drop. I don't want to get too close. Okay, but that's just amazing. You can see lots of houses scattered all over the countryside. And over there are the Yasawa Islands. And there's a pretty little island over there that I want to go and visit at some point. But what a view. Incredible. And over there in the distance, you've got more mountains. And beyond that, over there in the far distance, you've got, there'll be Nakovandra. Nakovandra, as I've said in many occasions on my previous vlogs, Nakovandra is the seat and the heart of Fijian mythology. Oh, it's amazing. Amazing experience. I'm glad we've got over those hills. And Ulux is doing a really good job navigating the horses through all this brush. And there it is, Vatutibitibi, within touching distance. And all these pine trees, these pine trees were planted by the Fiji Pine Commission many years ago, and they seem to have been forgotten because they did build a road up through here, and that road seems to have been forgotten as well. You can see it on Google Earth, but you know, it's virtually impassable now, especially after the recent rains we've had. So there it is, Vatutibitibi. Okay. Okay. Yep, we're nearly there. Isn't that incredible? Okay. Siriana? Where is Siriana? Oh, I'll get Antibui, okay. And the camera. Come on, drop. Okay. This is just incredible. All this grass. It doesn't look like it from the from down below, but there is a lot of grass and it's very tall. Come on. Come on. Come on, Andrew. Okay. The horse decided to take a break. Come on, Andrew.
Oh, here. We came on the wrong way.
We came the wrong way, did we? We have to go back. Okay.
Go back, go back.
So, again, Bullocks, say that again?
Yeah, that's the mountain, Rasa Mountain.
Rasa Mountain, the one in the background, eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this one is Tendam.
Teidamu.
And here is one.
There it is.
The second one.
That's it. That's the object of our trip, this expedition. Vatutibitibi. Let's keep going.
Come, come.
Come on.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, this girl coming here, saying here's from Ra. Here's strong girl. He walked down from here to here. Never, I don't see any girl. Walk so far like this lady. Auntie boy! When you go, that's take a shortcut down. Kucing hitam. Coba mau ini basta mana kali dia? It's tindy.
Vatutibitibi. Look at the size of those rocks. My goodness.
What do you think the rock?
Bullocks, when was the last time you came here?
Huh?
When did you come here last?
I think when I Bulmakau.
Oh, okay, okay.
All the Bulmakau came here.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
And that's the
Yeah.
one
Boar.
board.
Okay.
I do the trip.
Oh, okay.
Climb it.
Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, 1 minute. Just. Okay, guys. This is.
Down here. All the
Bure.
buris.
Okay, guys. Look at this. This is very interesting. This is a bure. This is the foundation. The yabu.
Yeah, they have.
This is the yabu for a bure that used to stand here many years ago. I'm talking about at least 150, 200 years ago.
Yeah.
That is the foundation, the yabu for the bure. In the olden.
No bulldozer came here just.
Okay.
Past. Yeah.
So no bulldozer has come here. They built a road further back that way, but no bulldozer has ever come here. So these ancient foundations have been preserved, and there are more foundations over that way. More bure foundations down there.
Up here.
Look at that. Isn't that just majestic? That is one of the most formidable sights you are ever going to see. Look at that. Isn't that just incredible? I'm just so overwhelmed. It's just absolutely formidable. Have a look at that rock face there. Okay. Okay. So we made it to Vatutibitibi. The question that's on my mind uppermost is, how on earth did those ancient Fijians build a village all the way up here? And look at those hills over there in the distance. Oh yeah, extraordinary hills. They almost look as if they've been man-made. But Siriana, Alex,
Yeah.
where are you?
Yeah.
Oh, Alex is up there. Oh man. And Auntie Bui is over there in the distance. She didn't want to ride the horse, so she's walking down. And I don't know how she's doing it, but she's doing it.
Yeah, they'll make a lot of sound.
Why?
This is a village.
Incredible. Absolutely incredible. We're in the shadow of all this ancient Fijian history, and it just blows my mind. Incredible.
Baby. Oh man, heart is very dum.
Ulax's heart is very dum-dum. So he's coming down. I don't know how he's managing to come down that route. That is just absolutely impossible. I could never do that. Look at this guy, so courageous. Ulux is coming down.
Hati-hati dum-dum.
Be careful.
Man, hot.
Kadum.
Dum.
Wala, baka buka. Natanya ko.
How came I came like this way?
You fly down.
No, no.
Why not? Jump like an
Terrible oligarch.
That's incredible. Ulux is coming down. Such a dangerous route from the peak of that rock.
Up and down.
Absolutely incredible. This guy in bare feet is descending that rock, and he's making it look so easy, so effortless. Isn't that incredible?
Hey,
tumuri pa yangon sa libre.
Oh,
umi, nagpala kebi.
There's a beautiful echo here.
lagu sleep pa?
Oy, rao. Nah,
Ulux,
Now I'm in the horse.
Ulux, otherwise known as Spider-Man, is down, and he has mounted the horse.
Wala ka nga sa moro ko libon tarong sa libre.
Yeah.
At
So this, we've taken a different route down, and this is what's left of the old road that hasn't been used for many, many years. This is the road that was built by the Fiji Pine Commission many years ago, and as you can see, this is showing up on Google Earth as a road, but there's very little left of the road. It's just grass and jungle, and that's where we were. Wow. So, as I was saying earlier, we're taking a slightly different route back. It's slightly easier, but it's a bit thorny. I've just been scratched by a few thorn bushes. So we're in the very capable hands of Serafina. Goodness, all this dense jungle, it's incredible. As I said earlier, I thought Vatutibitibi would be a whole lot easier to climb. But it's proved to be one of the most formidable experiences I've had in Fiji. And that's me saying that using a horse. there is undoubtedly. Listen to those. It's amazing, isn't it? The sound is incredible, isn't it? I would say this road, what's left of it, it's not much of a road. I would say this was built back in the 80s. That was when the Fiji Pine Commission was in full swing. But anyway, as I was saying earlier, Vatutibitibi has the remains of pottery and seashells, but the grass and the bush is just so thickly overgrown. The grass and the brush is so thickly overgrown that it wasn't worth the effort looking for those fragments. But we know they're there. The other thing I've found absolutely fascinating is that I had 2 bottles of ice water and they're both nearly exhausted. They're both nearly empty. It shows you. Alright guys, Auntie Bui, you okay?
Fine.
Wow. Incredible. What a journey this has been. Absolutely amazing. We're not home yet, but look at all this grass. You alright, Serafina? Oh, there you go. Oh look, guava. Oh. Yeah. I tell you what, if you do decide to do this trip, wear trousers because my legs have been shredded with these weeds. The outsides of my legs have been shredded. So if you do decide to do this at any stage in the future, make sure you wear trousers. You got it?
Yeah.
You got. Where is it? Okay, thank you. Oh, a guava. Oh, we find guava fruit
That's all.
out in the jungle. Incredible. Guava. My GoPro camera is on its last leg, so I'm just going to run the camera until it dies.
Okay, but now what? ऐसा ना? ओए
Don't worry, darling, that's okay, don't worry. Oh, don't worry, that's okay, don't worry. Serafina's worried about my about what the long grass is doing to my legs.
Oh, my leg.
This is medicine. This medicine makes us get better well.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Don't worry, it's okay, don't worry. Like I said earlier, if you're going to do an expedition like this, make sure you wear long trousers. Oh. 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 Oh, well, here we are, arriving. Oh. Forgot to lean forward. Here we are, arriving back at base camp, Jim's house. What a grueling ordeal that was, my goodness. Here we are. Serafina has been leading the way. Okay, a minute.